Hello dear students, I am Anju Bansal and I welcome you all to my online English class. Today I am going to explain to you a story from your English reader book, The Boy Who Borrowed. It is written by a very popular children's writer, Enid Blyton. Now this is a story about a boy named Benny. His hobby was reading and he enjoyed reading books. He did not have enough money to buy a lot of books, so he used to borrow books from his friends or from the library also. But he had one very bad habit. क्या थी वो bad habit? He would never return the books. वो वापस कभी नहीं करता था अपने friends को books को. One day, a strange and frightening incident happened, which made him realize his mistake. Do you want to know what happened with Benny? So come on then, let us read this chapter. Benny loved reading. He always had his nose in a book and he never had enough to read. Nose in a book? What does it mean? It means to be busy in reading a book. Really, said his mother, you only take half a day to read a book, Benny. You need a book about as long as a dictionary. So mother would say कि तुम्हें तो डिक्शनरी जैसी बुक चाहिए रीड करने के लिए, क्योंकि तुम फटाफट एक बुक रीड कर लेते हो, सिर्फ हाफ डे में एक पूरी बुक फिनिश कर लेते हो. I want a book that goes on forever, said Benny. That's the only book that will really give me enough reading. So Benny would say कि मुझे ऐसी बुक चाहिए जो कभी भी खत्म नहीं हो, हमेशा चलती रहे, तभी मुझे मजा आएगा. I will enjoy reading that type of book. Benny hadn't enough money to buy a lot of books and no one gave him any except at Christmas time. He had about 8 of his own and that was all. So Benny के पास सिर्फ 8 books थी जो उसकी अपनी खुद की थी, क्योंकि उसके पास बहुत सारे money नहीं था. His mother could not buy books for him every day and nobody even gifted him. So Benny borrowed books from his friends and from the library. Please, will you lend me The Island of Adventure? He asked Bill. I haven't read it. He asked Mary for The Secret Seven and she lent it to him. Then he borrowed 5 on a treasure island from Henry and 2 nature books from John. These are the names of some of the books which he borrowed from friends. अपने सब friends से वो कोई ना कोई book borrow करता रहता था. But he always forgot to give them back. At least he forgot at first. But when he saw his bookcase gradually filling up, he simply couldn't bear to give back any of the books. So he didn't. If the children asked him for them, he pretended he hadn't got them. He was a most dishonest little boy. तो क्या करता था बेनी? शुरू में he would forget to give them back, but after that, जैसे उसे लगता था कि अरे वाह, my bookshelf is getting full, बहुत सारी books हो गई है मेरे bookshelf में. He used to like seeing that. वो देख के उसे बहुत अच्छा लगता था. And then he would straight away refuse to give them. वो मना कर देता था. He would pretend to his friends कि मैंने तो तुम्हें already दे दी. I don't have your book. I have returned it to you. For these books, he had become very dishonest. He didn't only borrow books. He borrowed a ball from Eric and a pen from Lucy. Kenneth lent him his jigsaw and Eileen lent him her new rubber. He didn't give any of them back. And the children were very cross indeed. What is cross? Angry. So what Benny did? Not only books, but he got the habit of borrowing other things also. He borrowed so many things from his friends. लेकिन किसी को भी उसने वापस return कोई भी चीज नहीं करी. That is why his friends were very angry, very cross with him. And then one night, something happened. It was something very peculiar. Peculiar means strange, बहुत अजीब सा. And Benny quite thought that it was a dream. Benny को लगा कि that was just a dream which he was seeing. He sat up in bed because he thought he heard a noise. Surely there were voices in the other room where he kept his books and toys. So suddenly while he was sleeping, Benny got up in the night because he thought उसे लगा जैसे उसे कुछ आवाजें सुनाई दी from the room where all his books and toys were kept. Benny quickly slipped out of bed. He listened outside the door of the room Yes, there were voices. It's too bad, said a voice. I don't belong to Benny. I belong to John. I've got his name inside me. So have I, said another voice. And I belong to Bill, said a third voice. He loved me very much and read me 6 times. Now I'm stuck here in Benny's shelf and I don't like him. He doesn't treat me properly either. He's turned some of my pages down to mark his place, and that's a horrid thing to do with books. So whose voices were these children? किसकी आवाजें आ रही थी बेनी को? These were the voices of the different books जो उसने borrow कर रखी थी अपने friends से. They were all complaining. सारी books complain कर रहे थे कि why we are over here. Benny is not our owner. हमारा owner तो कोई और है. Some of them were even complaining कि we don't like Benny. Why they didn't like Benny? Because Benny did not take proper care of the books. वो उनको fold करता था, pages turn कर लेता था, and he even marked the place. Mark the place जब आप कोई book read करते हो, आप ऊपर से उसको fold करके थोड़ा सा रख देते हो so that next day you know where you were. So that's a very horrid thing. Horrid, a very horrible, something very very bad to do with books. क्यों है बुरा ऐसा? क्योंकि उससे pages tear हो जाते हैं. So that is why all the books were complaining about Benny. I belong to Mary, said another voice. I was a birthday present from her mother and she liked me. Now I have to stay here. Though I know Mary has an empty place in her bookcase waiting for me. So ये थी Mary की book. वो भी complain कर रही थी कि मैं तो उसकी birthday gift थी. And now I am stuck here. Benny के book shelf में just I am kept in the shelf. Nobody is opening me. Nobody is reading me. Let's go, said yet another voice. All the books were very angry and one of the book finally decided that let's go. हमें यहाँ से जाना चाहिए. Why should we stay here? Let's run down the stairs and go to that little room where there's always a window left open for the cat. Come on, I won't stay here and be a borrowed book any longer. So one book tells all the other books कि let us go from here. नीचे एक रूम में विंडो ओपन है. Let us all go from there to our owners. हमें नहीं रहना बेनी के साथ. Good gracious, thought Benny in alarm. Why, it's the books talking. Would you believe it? Benny was very surprised. He couldn't believe it. He was thinking, अरे ये तो बुक्स की आवाज है. बुक्स भी कभी टॉकिंग कर सकती है. Oh my God, good gracious means oh my God. He was very shocked and very surprised. The door was pushed open. That door suddenly opened up. And what did he see from there? All the books came out, pushing and jostling, eager to get down the stairs. They walked over Benny's toes and didn't seem to notice him at all. सारी जो बुक्स थी सब पुश करती हुई एक दूसरे को. They all started running out of the room, getting down the stairs. They didn't even notice Benny standing over there and they walked past him. कोई उसके टोस के ऊपर से चल के जा रहा है, कोई भाग के जा रहा है. All the books were running. He was too frightened to stop them or even to say a word. They tumbled. Tumbled means to fall over one another. एक दूसरे के ऊपर टकरा के गिरना. Helter skelter down the stairs. Helter skelter, to run very quickly, hurriedly, जल्दबाजी में भागना. They went into the little room off the hall and found the open window. Then there was silence. Why there was silence, children? Because all the books had gone away. All the books had gone to their owners. And now Benny was standing alone over there. Benny went back to bed, trembling. Trembling means shaking with fear. जब आपको बहुत डर लगता है तो क्या होता है? You feel you are shivering. Benny also went back to his bed and he was trembling. He didn't like it at all and he fell asleep. And when he awoke in the morning, he laughed. जब सुबह उठा बेनी उसे लगा that he was just watching a dream and he started laughing कि अरे कितनी मजेदार dream थी. Oh mother, he said at breakfast time, I had such a funny dream last night. I dreamt that all my books went walking downstairs and ran away. वो अपनी मम्मा को बताता है कि कल पता है कितना मजेदार सपना देखा, सारी बुक्स भाग के नीचे रूम से और बाहर निकल के भाग गई. है ना कितना funny? Mother also thought it was very strange. It was very queer. Well, what a queer dream to have. Queer? Strange. Please repeat this word again. Queer. It means strange, peculiar, बहुत अजीब सी. But what do you think? When Benny went to get his school books that morning, he found his bookshelves quite empty, except for his own books. All the other books had gone. So, क्या वो सिर्फ ड्रीम थी? Benny sat down suddenly because his legs felt queer. अब बेनी को अजीब सा लगा. He started feeling strange. So, it hadn't been just a dream. It was real. It had happened. Those books he had borrowed had gone off in a temper and left him. They would all be back with their right owners now. अब तक तो वो सब अपने अपने घर अपने अपने ओनर के पास पहुंच गई होगी. So Benny started feeling very strange and he was very frightened. He did not know what to do. Then he caught sight of Eric's ball and Lucy's pen. Suppose they did the same thing too? Why, they might even do it in broad daylight. And then how ashamed he would be. उसे बाकी चीजें सारी नजर आई जो भी उसने अपने फ्रेंड से बोरो की थी और उसे लगा कि क्या पता वन डे ये सब भी ऐसे ही भाग जाएंगे यहाँ से रूम से मेरे. What would happen then? Suppose in the daytime if they are running out of my room and if anybody sees it, so embarrassing it would be. I would feel so ashamed. कितना बुरा लगेगा. वो लोग मेरे बारे में क्या सोचेंगे कि कितना बैड बॉय है, इसके घर से सब चीजें भाग रही हैं. Benny went very red. He collected Eric's ball, Lucy's pen, Kenneth's jigsaw and Eileen's rubber. He found some other things he had borrowed and put them all into his school bag. He handed them back to the other children. I'm sorry, I kept these so long, he said in a small voice. When he went back to school, he returned all these things to all the children and also apologized. He said sorry. Thank you, said the children in surprise. We thought you meant to keep them. All the children were very surprised and they were thinking कि बेनी तो हमें कभी वापस देगा ही नहीं हमारी चीजें. He will keep them forever. That would have been stealing, really, said Eric. Oh, Benny, thank you for sending back my book. The boy next door, said Mary. I found it in my bookcase this morning. So Mary thanked Benny for returning the book. अब बेनी ने खुद ने रिटर्न करी थी क्या वो बुक? नहीं, वो बुक्स तो अपने आप उसके घर से चली गई थी. So Mary found it in her bookshelf in the morning and thanked Benny for it. The other children also thanked Benny for the books they got back. सबने उसको थैंक यू कहा कि हमें हमारी बुक्स वापस मिल गई है. Benny just looked at them in surprise. He could not believe कि सारी बुक्स सच में अपने आप चली गई. Benny stared at her. Good gracious! So her book had managed to find its way right to that empty place in Mary's bookshelf. उसे बहुत strange लगा कि बुक अपने आप मेरे घर से भाग के और मैरी के बुकशेल्फ के अंदर जाके बैठ गई. The others told him that their books were back too. I shan't borrow again unless I give back very quickly, thought Benny. Benny had decided, he made a firm decision that from now onwards I will never borrow a book if I don't return. अगर मैं किसी से borrow करूँगा भी book तो मैं time पे उसको return कर दूँगा. I wouldn't like this to happen to me again, ताकि दोबारा मेरे साथ ऐसा कभी भी ना हो. I wouldn't like it either if I borrowed and didn't give back. Would you? क्या आपको अच्छा लगता अगर आपके साथ ऐसा होता तो? No, isn't it? So, what do we learn from this story? That we should always take proper care of others' things and return it to them on time. जब हम किसी से भी कोई चीज borrow करते हैं, take full care and give it back to them on time. Otherwise, they will never lend us anything the next time. So students, I hope you have understood the lesson now. Please note down the difficult words in your copy. That's all for today. Have a good day. Thank you and goodbye.